Hey viewers,
Today, we're talking about the Nothing Phone 2A.
it's not a powerhouse with super performance or fancy features.
No brightest display or killer cameras.
But guess what? People all around are curious about it, and that's because the design is cool and different.
The back has this funky glyph lighting. It's like having your own light show.
Some might find it odd, but I like it.
It comes in two color options, black and white. The phone is plastic from the back and on the sides, but they're not hiding it. They're owning it.
Now, these glyph lights aren't just for looks. They light up for notifications, calls, and even work as a timer. It has the power button on the right and volume up or down buttons on the left. It has stereo speakers, which are okay. It supports dual SIMs, but there is no expandable memory card option, and it is IP54 splashwater and dust resistant.
The weight of the phone is around 190 grams. For the display, we get a 120Hz display, which is pretty standard. It's a 6.7-inch screen with an 87.6% screen-to-body ratio.
It's a 108p display with slim bezels, supporting 700 nits brightness and 1300 nits peak brightness, protected with Gorilla Glass 5. In terms of performance, it's powered by the Dimensity 7200 Pro, based on 4nm.
Well, it makes the phone work fast.
Not top of the line, but for everyday stuff, it's smooth.
The phone runs on Android 14 and Nothing OS 2.5. It's simple and clean, with black and white vibes. Widgets are cool, and your favorite shortcuts are right on the home screen. Less distraction, more focus.
It's got a big 5000 mAh battery, and it charges up real quick with 45W fast charging. Even with the cool lights, the battery lasts all day. The cameras, they're okay.
There is one lens of 50MP with OIS and another 50MP ultrawide.
Nothing mind-blowing.
Decent pics, and it can record 4K at 30fps.
It has a 30MP front camera that can record 108p at 60fps.
So, is it worth your money? Yeah, for $349, you're getting a lot.
Great screen, enough power, lots of storage, and it's built tough. Even without the fancy extras, it's a good deal.
Alright, that's the Nothing Phone 2A for you. If you're into something different without breaking the bank, it's a solid choice. Hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Stay cool and stay connected. Thanks for watching.